Hi guys, welcome back to our Samsung Digital Live support channel. Today we're going to teach you on how to change MS password on this SHP-DP728. First of all, we have to take the back cover on this lock set and followed by open the door. And now, you have to press the REG button once, followed by your master password, your current master password. So when the front pad light up, and now you shall key in your new desired password from 4 to 12 digits of number. So let's try with 789456 and it will start. And now we shall try that whether your new master password has been enrolled to this lock set. Okay, so we touch on the front pad, clear off the 2 random number, followed by your new password. And it's working.